Let's move to the question number 3. Express 4x square plus 10x plus 6 in the form of a times x plus b whole square plus c, where a, b, c are the rational constant to be determined. Okay, we are given that 4x square plus 10x plus 6, and we need to find the rational constant. So we will take 4 common. We will have x square plus 10x over 4 plus 6. So further solving, we will have 4 times x square plus 5x over 2 plus 6. Okay, we need to make x square plus 5x over 2 complete square. So it is 4 times x square plus 2 times x times 5 over 4. Okay, so that when we multiply this, we will get 5x over 2 plus 5 over 4 square minus 5 over 4 square bracket close plus 6. We just add and subtract the 5 over 4 whole square. Further solving, we will have 4 times formula, which is x plus 5 over 4 whole square minus 5 over 4 whole square bracket close plus 6. Now multiply by 4, we will have 4 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square minus 4 times 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16 plus 6. So this one will be 4. So we will have 4 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square minus 25 over 4 plus 6. We can solve it further. 4 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square plus 6 minus 25 over 4. Taking LCM, we will have 4 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square plus, taking LCM, we will have 4, and this one will be 24 minus 25, and we will have 4 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square minus 1 over 4. So this is the required format, which is a plus x plus b whole square plus c. So in this case, this one is a and this one is b and this one is c, which is negative quadrant. Okay, part B, the curve with equation y is equal to 4x square plus 10x plus 6 and the line y is equal to k has exactly one point of section. Using the answer to part A or otherwise state the value of k, as we have given that y is equal to 4x square plus 10x plus 6, and this curve intersect at the line which is y is equal to k, and it is given that we have only one intersecting point. So when we solve these two equations simultaneously, we will have the intersecting point. So we will equate y. We will have k is equals to 4x square plus 10x plus 6. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, and we know that quadratic equation will have two roots, but it is given that there is only one intersecting point, so it means that there is only one root. So if we have one root, so we know that the discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac, and if discriminant is greater than 0, then we will have real and distinct roots. If d is less than 0, then we will have complex root. But if d is equal to 0, then we will have real and same root. When we have the same root, it means we have the only one root. So we can say that if there is only one intersecting point, it means discriminant of this quadratic equation will be 0. So we can say that 4x square plus 10x plus 6 minus k equal to 0, and in this case a is equals to 4, b is equals to 10, and c is equals to 6 minus k. And we know that discriminant is equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equals to 0, because there is only one intersecting point. So plugging the abc in the discriminant equation, we will have b square means 10 square minus 4 times a means 4 times c, which is 6 minus k equal to 0. Solving further, we will have 100 minus 16 times 6 is 96, and 16 times k is positive 16k equal to 0. And this one is equals to the 4 plus 16k equal to 0, and we will have 16k equals to negative 4, and this one is equals to 4, so we will have 4k is equals to negative 1. Further solving, we will have k is equals to negative 1 over 4. When we have the value of k which is negative 1 over 4, we will have the discriminant 0, and in this case we will have real and same roots, means we will have only one root. One root will be the intersecting point.